Start laying ceramic tiles from the intersection of your primary layout lines so the whole field stays balanced and symmetrical. Measure the room twice and establish a clear center point. Then snap 2 perpendicular chalk lines that align with that center so they form a true 90-degree intersection. Use a square or a folded tile to confirm the corner is precise. Dry lay full tiles along both chalk lines outward toward the walls without adhesive to see how end gaps fall, and aim for end gaps that are nearly equal on opposite sides so visual balance is maintained. If an edge would finish with a very thin strip of tile, shift the entire layout line by a half tile or more so cuts at both edges are wider and visually pleasing. When you commit to the lines, apply thinset evenly with a notched trowel sized to the tile thickness. Comb in one direction for consistent ridges, and back butter large tiles to ensure full contact and prevent lippage. Use tile spacers while setting to guarantee uniform grout joints, and check every few rows with a long straight edge and a spirit level, tapping tiles with a rubber mallet to correct height differences immediately. Keep a damp sponge and a bucket of water handy to remove excess thinset from grout lines before it sets. That saves time and yields cleaner joints. Allow the thinset to cure per manufacturer guidance before grouting to prevent movement that ruins alignment. Common mistakes include starting at a wall where the last row becomes a very narrow strip which looks unbalanced. So, always start at the center intersection and adjust layout lines if edge cuts would be smaller than about 1/4 of a tile width. Another frequent issue is uneven adhesive coverage causing lippage. To avoid this, comb the thinset with the correct notch size and use back butter on large format tiles so every tile sits flat. A third problem is drifting from the layout lines as work progresses, which creates a skewed field. Prevent this by checking regularly with a straight edge and level, and re-establishing the chalk lines if they get covered or rubbed away. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trusted local contractors, and we make it easy for contractors to find work by connecting them with nearby projects. We also host a discussion community where installers and homeowners exchange tips on layouts, tools, and troubleshooting so we all get better results together.